This one ain't gonna work for me. It's all deformed.
It's so big.
Yeah, but it's hard to... Alright, here we go.
Yeah, it's deformed.
It don't have the top thingy is what it is. They need a top thingy on that one.
Here, I gotta put the one mask back on.
Yeah. Look, look. Look, it's so cute. Ah! Ah! No. That's great. They got so much awesome Halloween stuff.
Oh, wait.
I'll put on the...
Because I did it so creepy.
Don't worry. Just whistle. Now you're supposed to like run really fast at me. Like really scary like. Like you're supposed to go like creep halfway across the hallway and here you go. You want it? Oh. Let's see how you look as the big bad wolf. That's me.
Yeah, that is you. There. Yeah, that one suits you. That one suits you.
Does it?